Hello, I'm Marika with Kawartha Lakes Public Library. Our Storytime book today is Blackbird, Yellow Sun by Steve Light. Blackbird, yellow sun. Blackbird, orange leaves. Blackbird, purple grapes. I see something else in this picture. I see something that is orange. Do you see it? Blackbird, green grass. Oh, I see that orange worm again. Do you see the orange worm? Blackbird, red snake. Blackbird, gray rocks. I see the orange worm as well. It's really tiny. Do you see it? Blackbird, pink flowers. Blackbird, blue moon. The end. That's our book. What did you think? This book is one of the recommended titles in our August Early Literacy Calendar. You can see this calendar or print off a copy through the Kids section of our library website. You can also ask staff at your local library branch to print off a copy for you. We have these calendars available every month. They're full of great, simple ideas and suggestions on how you can incorporate early literacy activities in your everyday life. Children's reading success in kindergarten and beyond begins with positive language and literary experiences from the time they're infants. We have library branches in 14 communities across Kawartha Lakes, with thousands of children's books available. Our friendly and helpful staff can assist you in finding the right book to meet your child's reading level and personal interests. If you have a young child in your life, go for a visit to your local library branch. Find some books and take them home, and make the time to read together every day. Kawartha Lakes Public Library. Millions of opportunities, one exceptional library.